What's poppin', everyone? I've had a lot of requests lately to give a tutorial on how to wire the O2 sensor wiring for the NAT for a VVTi for, gs300 to the is300. Apparently, a lot of people are having issues with getting it to run good on the stock ECU when using a super airflow converter. I as well did. Of course, it wasn't my car, it was my buddy's car, but I had to do a lot of research and a lot of in-depth searching to find the answer, and I had to kind of put things together with like a puzzle on my own. What I'm gonna do today is to do a little walkthrough for you guys, show you what you need to do, and I'll probably have some little pictures and stuff up to show you what you need to do for wiring diagrams and such like that. This is not a Lexus. Yeah, well, it came out of the Lexus anyways. So we're gonna be doing a switch over here in a second because one of the connectors that I need to show you guys is still in the Lexus. He went standalone. This is what I recommend everybody to get if you go standalone. So first things first, I'm going to show the wiring diagram up here probably, and I'm going to probably light up pinpoint marks or whatever on it to show you what you need to do. This connector here, this connector block will basically be what the ECU is, and then there will be another connector here. So this is going to be, connector 1, 2, 3. On the wiring diagram, it'll be a little different, but it should be pretty self-explanatory. So there are 4 oxygen sensors on the engine itself. And the reason that your cars aren't running right, these ECUs are very, very sensitive, and they will go into limp mode for the smallest thing, and running 1 oxygen sensor or 2 oxygen sensors will definitely put the stock ECU into a safe mode. What you're gonna wanna do is run all of the wiring of those O2 sensors, the signals alone, into one signal. All right, so on this one here, which is connector B pin, okay, so it'd be this black and white wire right here. The main O2 sensor, which is bank 1, sensor 1, you're going to want to run the signal wires from every other O2 sensor, and you just want to splice it in, like what I've done here. I just ripped the other 2 out because they are still in the car, the body harness of the Lexus. Okay, so I will probably teleport over to the other place where the Lexus is and show you the other wires. They're going to be for bank 2, sensor 2, and bank 2, sensor 1, or vice versa. I never understand bank 1, bank 2, whatever, sensor 1, sensor 2. It's just going to be the secondary ones that go on the cats that are useless and junk and shit. Alright, that was fucking crazy. Alright, you see that? You like the party? I got this muffler that you could, put your whole face in because it's, that never gets used. Alright, so we're here. This is the last connector that's on the ECU, and this is, oh man, I don't have the other ECU. Oh, there it is, I found it. Okay, hold on. I'm showing you guys that I like the party. Just plug this in here. These here are in the rat rod. This connector, which is the 4th connector, 5th connector is useless, so just forget that it is even there. Don't think about it, because that's when you fuck up. Don't worry about it. So, you're gonna worry about this connector and this connector. Okay, so, here's the deal. This connector here, it's going to be the 3rd pin over. That is for one of these sensors that'll pop up on the screen right here for you to see. Now, that's the sensor signal. And as you can see, I ran it to this sensor signal here. It's the yellow and green wire. It's the only yellow and green wire on the whole connector. If you want to run 1 oxygen sensor, run 1 oxygen sensor and your wideband, because you need a wideband. If you don't have a wideband, you shouldn't be doing this at all. Recap! The black wire on the other connector that I showed you that has the white wire spliced to it. You simply run this red wire, this green and yellow wire, spliced with the white wire to the black wire, and that is all you have to do, so long as you have the super airflow converter wired right. If you guys have questions about that, I will be more than happy to show you or whatnot, but Apexi has their stuff clearly written out, and there are plenty of write-ups on how to install it. There are just no write-ups at all. I can't find anything about the oxygen sensor wiring, but this is how you do it. If this video helps you, click the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. And yeah, comment in the comments and let me know what you want to see next. If you have questions, let me know. I can help you. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Later.